from 12% to 37%. The TypeScript adoption rate, or we can say popularity, has increased significantly in the past few years, according to the JetBrains survey. And if we see other surveys like the Stack Overflow developer survey, it says that TypeScript was 9.5% popular in 2017, but after 7 years, it is standing at 38.5%, almost a 30% increase, which is equal to the total popularity of Java. In future years, TypeScript will gain more popularity because the Microsoft team has decided to go with Go instead of TypeScript for the compiler backend, which makes compile time 10 times faster. And when we're talking about speed, the C family comes to mind, but shockingly, those languages have been consistent throughout the years. For example, the C language popularity change is just a 1% increase in 7 years, while C++ popularity remains the same between the 7-year gap. And all of the 23% of C++ developers are still busy building GTA 6. That's why the number is so constant. When talking about C++, if we don't include Rust, then it's a little unfair. And I was shocked looking at data because currently on the internet I have seen many Rust supporters, but popularity is not increasing at the same speed. From 3.2 to 12.6% popularity in just 5 years is not a small number. But sometimes you expect more. Like how Elixir fulfills our expectations with salaries by staying top-of-the-line technology just below the Erlang. But in popularity just moved from 1.4% to 2.1%. In 5 years, it has gained less than 1% popularity. Now you are wondering what happens to Erlang, a top painting technology. In 2024, Erlang is 0.9% popular, while in 2019, it was out of the popularity list. The question is why the language that gives the highest salary is not that popular. In the end, we all know money is the most important thing, right? No, my friend, you are the most important. Back to Erlang. It's a niche-focused language that is only used by some big companies and in communication tech. So due to a high-paying but very small jobs market, Erlang is not that popular. Then, who is popular? JavaScript. Since 2015, JavaScript has held a #1 position in popularity ranking. But it is slowly decreasing, and the main reason is JavaScript developers are aging out. Simple. If 10 developers retire or switch from JavaScript, then there are 10 new developers who join JavaScript, and this cycle continues. But in recent years, the retirement or switching rate is the same, but new adoption is very low. And due to this, the JavaScript developers' mean age is 33.5 years, which used to be 30 years in 2022. If JavaScript is aging, then it's obvious that HTML, CSS will also experience the fall. From 60% in 2021 to 51% in 2024, HTML, CSS has seen some decline, but from now on, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS will remain constant in popularity because it's a bottom for them. They cannot go down from this. Now, if we see the bigger picture among top technologies, only one language has seen an increase in popularity, which is Python. Yes, SQL has been constant in popularity with a constant 51% throughout the 8 years, but Python is the only one that has seen an increase. And the reason behind this increase is machine learning advancement in recent years. You see, everyone is talking about AI, so everyone will try to build AI. And to build AI, there are no close competitors for Python. This is all good, but the language that powers 79% of websites is standing at 18% in popularity. It's weird. But PHP has its own reasons. Also, PHP has spent 30 years in industry, so it's pretty old compared to other languages, but not as old as COBOL, Lisp processing, Fortran, and Algol, which have spent more than half a century. These languages are standing with low popularity, but banking and security systems are filled with these languages' code. I have not included all the languages, but the languages which has seen massive up or down. So on that note, goodbye.